Good morning, everybody. In today's quick tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to set up products in your HyppoCRM. So real quick, what you want to do is, I just have a testing account loaded. You want to go to Payments here. You'll go at the top, go over to Products, and go to Products right there. Now, the first thing we want to do is create a product. You can actually import them from a spreadsheet or from your Stripe account if you'd like, but I just like to do it from scratch. So we'll go right here. And then you're going to see a few things here. If you're doing e-com, you can include in an online store, and it's actually going to sync up to this, but I don't have one up right now, but we'll just leave it on. As for the title, we're going to call it Test. We'll just call it Test Product, something simple like that. This is a testing product. Yeah, basically, you put an explanation here. You can put a label on there if you'd like. So for example, if it's like a featured product or you have a sale going on, you can do that, and you could set how long that's going to last for, but we could just leave that off. If you have groups of products, you can add them to a collection. What's cool here is if you have any taxes on, you can import them in there. You can also choose to include the tax if you'd like, so yes, no, or as per the global settings, which you can turn on. You can turn on the tax rates if you're not using this automatic setting here, which I recommend you use that. If you'd like, you can upload a picture. And what's cool here is you could set the price. So you could set either a one-time amount or a recurring amount. We'll just keep it at one time. Let's just say it's $97. If you'd like, you could do a compare at price. So like if there'll be a slash there or something. You can add inventory. So let's just say we have 100 of these. And what's cool is, let's say that if you're pre-selling or something, you can have people buy it even when you're out of stock. I usually leave that off though. And then you could add variants if you like. And if you're putting it on your website or something, you have your SEO stuff. And then when you're done with it, you just click Save. And once you click Save, you should see right here. You could go back into it and change anything if you like. You can add pricing. And what's cool about this is, let's say it's a digital product or something. Or not, excuse me, not a digital product. Let's say you have a stock keeping unit, like something you identify each product with, you can put that in. We'll just do that. And you could also put like that type of stuff. You could select physical or digital product. So I just set the... Now, once you add the amount there, what's really cool is you can go to inventory here, and it'll actually show your product, your testing product. Like there's the price at $97. You'll have your stock keeping unit, so it's just what I put. You can change your quantity. You can turn tracking inventory on, and you can turn that if you like. But if you, let's say you're, I don't know, a stone crafter or a cabinet builder and you have a lot of products, this could be super helpful to keep track of. And yeah, I just thought I'd show off this quick video on how to make products in your HyppoCRM. If you'd like this, feel free to check out the next video, and I'll see you all later.